Hi guys, I'm back with another video. I'm so excited for today's video and what I'm about to show you. So as you know, with COVID in 2020, we've all had to do our beauty treatments at home. I've already brought you guys my video on how to do your brows at home, your eyelash extensions, your nails. The nails was like a little bit of a fail, but we still can do it at home. And next I'm gonna bring you the most important thing to my beauty routine is laser hair removal at home. Now this is the Techture Beauty IPL laser hair removal. It is so cute and pink. It matches my aesthetic and probably a lot of your aesthetics as well. I'm excited to show you guys how this works, how you can do it at home, and how you can save tons and tons of money by doing it yourself. It's super simple and easy and it's really effective. If you'd like to learn how you can do your laser hair removal at home, then please keep watching. Thank you to Techture Beauty for sponsoring this video. Even though they are sponsoring this, all thoughts and opinions are my own. I would not be showing you this if it wasn't amazing and life-changing and saving you money, and it's just cute. Like, I love cute little devices. So when you get the box, it's going to have the device. I have a pretty big hand, so I'm like showing you for reference, but my hand's big. But this is essentially like less than a foot long, I would say. You'll get the charger plug. You get these amazing glasses. Look at this, look how cute. Is this not like a Kim K vibe? Like, you see her on vacation, she's wearing these, you know? So you can like wear these out. Maybe not, but like, you know, a little Kim K vibe. But these are your glasses to protect from the pulsing light. You don't want to look directly into the light when you're doing this. You just want to protect your eyes, but you can still do it without looking, you know, straight into the light. You'll also get the instruction manual. I made sure that I read through mine thoroughly before I tried it, just to make sure you know like what to do, what not to do. I have gotten laser hair removal for the last, I would say, like 2 years at a place here by my house, but this one is different because it's an IPL laser hair removal, which we'll get into later. But I just wanted to be sure to like read everything and, you know what I was getting myself into so I didn't mess anything up. And also I always refer to their website and you'll see all the product photos. You can read about it and feel like a little more confident before you get into your treatment, or you could watch a video like mine where you actually see someone doing it so you feel confident. And then lastly, it comes with these cute little Q-tips. This is to clean the part that does the laser. I'm going to be showing you guys how I use this on my lower legs and my underarms. I'm going to insert a chart here. So for laser hair removal, typically you want to have a fair skin with a darker hair. The higher the contrast, the better the tool is going to work for you. So as you can see on the chart, for the hair colors, red, blonde, gray doesn't really work. So for me, I typically just do my lower legs and underarms when I'm doing laser, because the rest of my body, like my arms and stuff, it's pretty light colored hair for me. So something that I didn't actually know before getting this device is that regular laser hair removal and IPL laser hair removal are very different. I've heard of IPL before because I know a lot of the med spas and places I go to, like for my tattoo removal, they do IPL laser on people's faces. That's like a little bit different than this one, but IPL can be used in like many different ways with different lasers. IPL is known to resurface and rejuvenate the skin, and it helps with discoloration, acne scars, just like an overall better skin tone. It definitely improves your skin. I know I have like a lot of discoloration on my face, especially on my driving side, and the IPL laser is actually really good for that as well. So regular laser hair removal, like what I was getting at a place here by my house, that's just specific to making sure that the hair doesn't grow back, whereas this one, it is making sure your hair doesn't grow back, but it's better for your skin because it's rejuvenating it. It is the laser that's going to help resurface the skin and make it nice and soft. The main difference between the laser and the IPL is the type of light. So IPL stands for intense pulsed light. It's a broadband pulsed light source. And then the laser is just like a different type. Both methods basically target the hair color. So the darker the hair, the better, the deeper like the melanin in the hair, the better. The lasers will target that color, and that's how you will get the results for the laser hair removal of the hair not growing back. The results are permanent. It typically takes like 7 to 9 sessions depending on how dark your hair is, how thick the hair is. If your hair is on the lighter side, it could take longer because it's harder for the laser to like pick up on the pigment. But for this device here, for your first 3 treatments, you'll do them once per week. And then after that, you'll do it once every 2 to 3 weeks. When you see the results of the hair removal and you see how your hair is coming back slower and a lot less, and when you have it to the place where you're comfortable, you can essentially just do like a touch-up treatment every 2 months. It will just be away forever. I mean, like, hello, life-changing. I never have to shave my underarms or my lower legs. And also, you can see results from the first treatment. And then after that, you'll see it come back like less and less and thinner. It's amazing. Who doesn't want laser hair removal? You don't have to worry about all that. I have like enough to worry about, okay, in life, and especially the shower. You have to shampoo. You can use a purple shampoo if you're blonde. You have to exfoliate your face, exfoliate your body. Like, I don't have time, and I have a lot of body, and I don't have time to be shaving, okay? The thing that I like about this is because with COVID, you never know what's open in your state, what's gonna shut down. Even in normal times, like doing things at home are a lot less expensive and just like easier because you can do it on your own schedule. Maybe you have a baby and you know you can do this while they're napping. It'll be like super quick and you can get everything done. I used to hate doing beauty treatments myself, but in 2020 I've learned to love doing everything myself and not have to depend on going somewhere or spending money. My husband and I, we're trying to save for a house, so it's like anywhere where you could save that little coin, it helps. This device is only $249, and typically if you were to go somewhere for IPL laser, it's like $2,500, $5,000. It's a lot. Okay, it's a big range, it's a lot of money, and this is like, you can just use this forever at home whenever you feel like it. The good thing about this device is it essentially has 300,000 pulses and flashes in it, and if you were to do your entire body, it would be 30,000 flashes, which we don't do our whole body, so you already know this is gonna last you a lifetime, like 10 years plus. But the thing is, like, you just have to do 7 to 9 treatments, and then you're hairless and you're good, and then you just touch up from, you know, now and then after that. So you just charge it and you're on your way. You don't have to reinvest more money later, go to a laser place later and keep paying them over and over. You just buy this once and then you're good. This is also FDA cleared, or else I wouldn't be using it on my body. So it's super, super safe. You just have to make sure that you read everything first and then you know what you're doing and you're good to go. So let's get into the fun part. I'm going to show you guys how to use this device. You always want to make sure that you shave your legs the night before. You can do it like 12 hours before, but I always recommend the night before, shaving the areas you're going to do the laser on. You can do this fresh out the shower. That's my favorite way. It's like on a Sunday night, I get my little robe on, and you want to make sure that the area is clean before you do this. Don't put any lotions or oils or anything on there because you want to get the best result with this. Then you first want to put on your goggles. You want to protect your eyes from the IPL light. Now, there's different levels on here. You want to choose the energy, but start from a lower level and see how your skin reacts. It's better to start low and then you can keep increasing it each time. You just want to make sure that your skin's not going to have like a reaction from it if the laser is too small. So if you have sensitive skin, even if you don't, maybe just start at the lowest level and work your way up. So what you want to do is let the treatment window touch your skin vertically, and you want to like kind of go in sections with this. You don't want to repeat any areas or leave anything out. So I like to just go like this. And then you want to repeat this 2 or 3 times and make sure you have everything covered. Then after treatment, you can just put on a nice lotion to make sure that your legs are moisturized and you're not irritated. If you do have sensitive skin, you can always put aloe. Like for my Techture removal, I like to keep aloe in my fridge. It has a little pump to it. So just put on some aloe or some nice lotion and just like sit there and wait for your hair to go away. Then you want to turn off your device. And you can clean that little treatment window with those Q-tips that I showed you. You don't want to use anything too wet. You want to just use a damp cloth or just use a little Q-tip. The most important part is that you want to store this away from your bathroom. You don't want the moisture to damage your expensive machine, so you want to always store this somewhere that's just not in the bathroom. The thing I love about Techture Beauty is that they've been around for so long. I had personally never heard of them before, and then I researched them, and they're actually so amazing. They have this LED beauty light for your face that I also want to try. They have more products than just this, so they're just an amazing beauty device line. I'm gonna link the product down below for you guys. Make sure that you leave me a comment with any questions on how to use it or anything that you need clarity on. If you used it and you love it, let me know all this down below. Again, thank you to Techture Beauty for sponsoring this video. Until next time, thank you so much for watching.